Hey guys, Austin here of Yucatec. Last night, Suzuki invited us to the launch of the all-new 2019 Suzuki Ertiga at the Marriott Hotel. Here are some key features of the 2019 Suzuki Ertiga. All variants of the Ertiga is powered by the same 1.5-liter VVT engine that produces 103 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 138 Newton meters of torque at 4,400 RPM. The 2019 Ertiga looks much fiercer compared to the previous generation, with a taller nose and elegantly aggressive front grille. The integrated lower grille and fog lamps also makes the front look more modern. The MPV's side profile also looks a lot cleaner and sleeker, with deeper curves and character lines, and also that floating roofline, making the vehicle look more robust. Getting into the driver's seat, the new steering wheel has a flat bottom, giving it a sporty look, accompanied by wood-patterned inlays. Plastic trims that would also make it feel more sophisticated. The aircon vents is really nicely integrated along with the dashboard. It makes it look like it's one seamless vent, but there are multiple vents there that you can adjust. Looking at the infotainment unit, the new Ertiga boasts a 10-inch touchscreen for the GLX trim that just works for this vehicle. Family and safety was the mantra in mind for the 7-seater MPV, and it checks out. Looking onward from the boot of the vehicle, I can say that the use of the space was very well thought out, especially for the Filipino families who love going on trips all together. Legroom for the third row seats is much more spacious than it looks, with a recline of up to 16 degrees. Plus, the addition of various storage compartments and ventilated cup holders and door pockets are great for all your hand carry needs. Here in the Philippines, the 2019 Suzuki Ertiga will be sold in 4 variants. The GA with a manual transmission costs 728,000 pesos. It has no security alarms and no parking sensors at the rear. The GL manual transmission comes in at 848,000 pesos. The automatic version of the GL costs 888,000 pesos. The GLX top of the line automatic costs 978,000 pesos. The new Ertiga will come in 7 colors, namely Pearl Glorious Brown, Metallic Magma Gray, Pearl Burgundy Red, Prime Cool Black, Metallic Silky Silver, Pearl Radiant Red, and Pearl Snow White. And that about wraps up Suzuki's all-new 2019 Ertiga. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Visit our website for the latest in tech and more. Find us on social media, the links are in the description down below. Once again, this is Austin, and I hope this video helped you learn more about the 2019 Suzuki Ertiga.